Hello friends, Bangladesh is on a tour to Zimbabwe where they just won a one match test series, and I had predicted about this in my earlier video that Bangladesh will win this test match, and now a three match ODI series is going to start. These three ODI matches will be on 16th of July, 18th of July and 20th of July. And talking about this series, if we see head-to-head comparison of both the teams, Bangladesh certainly has the edge. Both these teams have played each other 17 times in ODI series, but out of these 17 ODI series, Bangladesh has won 11 series, while Zimbabwe has won only 6 series. And Zimbabwe has recently lost to Bangladesh in the one test match also. So clearly, Bangladesh seem to be having the edge right now. But if we see that Zimbabwe is playing at their home, and also I feel they will have two motivations going into this series. First of all, if they can manage to win this series, Zimbabwe, if Zimbabwe manages to win this series, then they will push Sri Lanka behind in ICC rankings and they will have a good chance of qualifying directly for the ICC World Cup. So that's why I feel that Zimbabwe will be putting up a really good show in this series. They will work hard and give in a good performance. Also, they are playing at their home, so they won't be thinking of losing another series at home. So I feel that Zimbabwe will give in a much improved performance in this ODI series compared to their performance in Test series. And if we see the Bangladesh team, so Bangladesh of course has improved a lot in the past few years and they are now a really good ODI side. So I feel Bangladesh will also perform well and this series looks like going to be very close series where all the matches will be very close. And I think that after the first two matches, the score line would be 1-all, and this series will go into the decider. And in the decider, I will pick Bangladesh as the winner. I feel that Bangladesh will somehow win this series, although this will be a close series and Zimbabwe will give in a good fight. So my prediction for this series is that Bangladesh will win this three match ODI series by a score line of 2-1. So let's see how it goes, what happens in this series.